Hey guys, welcome to the last episode of our gardening series that was specially designed for gardening beginners. Today, we're going to grow some plants which are very trendy these days and everybody has been talking about them, indoor plants. So as you may know, I recently shifted to Mumbai, and for this house we went to buy plants from the nursery, and that is when I realized that oh my god, these indoor plants in some cities are so expensive. So far in Bangalore I stayed on campus. So first of all, it was so much easier to get cuttings around from the campus, so I didn't buy a lot of plants. Plus, I think Bangalore nurseries are relatively cheaper. But now when I came here and I realized even to get one snake plant, I have to spend 300 rupees. So I thought I would share with you three trendy indoor plants that you can grow from cuttings. The number one plant is snake plant. This plant, everybody has been talking about them. By the way guys, these are super easy to propagate. All that you have to do is to cut a leaf from the base. Now try and make this cut as close to the base and put this in water. Snake plant leaves can take really long to develop roots. You can directly put them in soil as well. I prefer this water method. Just be a little patient. It might take about 3 weeks to develop roots. And don't worry, it would not start decaying. It's a very sturdy leaf. So even if it stays in the same water, nothing would happen. I would also like to clarify one thing. Everybody has been talking so much about snake plant because it's an air purifier, and I agree, I love that plant. In fact, in one of my videos, which might you see here, I talked in great length how I love this plant. But there are so many other air purifying plants as well, and so is Syngonium. So Syngonium is this very simple to care plant that can grow in low light area as well as medium light area. All that you have to do for the cutting is try and find a node area, which means a point where the leaves are growing. If you can't find a node, just clip one of the leaf from its stem near the base and put this in water. And the third and the most favorite plant is money plant. And I think a lot of you already know how to propagate it. Make a cut at the node. The reason that we make a cut at node is basically this point where all the leaves develop. Remember, we did this in mint as well. So this node point is where there is growth hormone. So when you make a cut, the growth hormone releases and it helps in development of roots. Money plant is the easiest to propagate. When I say easiest, I mean the roots will develop the fastest in money plant. By the way, I'm also planning to do another season which might not be something about grow with me. We could talk about, I don't know, things like you should be caring when you are a gardening beginner, like how to water and everything. Let me know in the comment section what are things that you would like to know as a beginner. Now moving on to all those plants that we have grown so far in the last 3 episodes. Herbs. I would like to share pictures that you guys sent me on Instagram. I am so happy to see that a lot of you tried them out and it worked out for you. This really makes me excited. Thanks for sharing your pictures. The next plant we tried was tomato. Now for me, the tomatoes are growing. We have a lot of saplings now. I don't want all of them. You can pull out a couple of them. And in the last episode, we tried growing mint. So we had kept the mint cuttings in water. And as you can see that the roots have developed. Now put this in soil. I already have some mint growing in this pot. I'm going to add these new stems as well to the same pot. That is all that we had for this series, all these 4 episodes where we tried to help you grow plants that you don't have to buy seeds for or cuttings that you can find around you. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please do let me know so that we can do more kind of such series. And if you have photos to share of how your plants are doing that you grew with us, please share them on my Instagram account. I love to share them on my stories. The Instagram account is this, gardenup.in. And if you have been watching our videos but haven't subscribed, guys, please go and hit that red button which says subscribe. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.